Hello dear students, in today's video we are discussing how to add image in web page. Okay, so there is a tag and that is image tag. Using image tag we can add image, any picture, any photo in your web page. So first you open your notepad. It is open and now start your coding as usual. How you are starting, like that way you have to write. Okay, HTML. And now here body part, and close your body tag. And now here we are going to use image tag. IMG. Okay, this is your image tag and it will help you to add your image in your web page. Okay, so what you have to do here, some attributes are there that you have to write here. Okay, source, SRC, it is source, and equal to, you have to give your file name, image file name. Okay, with extension, remember this thing, with extension you have to write your file name. Suppose my file is there in my folder where I am storing my HTML file. Okay, so if you save your file in your image file in your that folder, then it is okay, directly you can write. Suppose vidhi dot, sorry, here you have to write this in double quote, vidhi dot jpg. This is image extension dot jpg is the image extension, and the name of this image is vidhi, and I save this vidhi dot jpg in my Harshika folder. Now look here, I am saving this file. Okay, save it. So this PC desktop and Harshika folder I am saving my file, and this is activity 4. Okay, activity 4.html, and now it is already there, so it will show you I want to replace it. Yes. Okay, so now it is saved, and now you run your program. Okay, execute your program, go in Harshika folder and activity 4 you run. Okay, so this image comes on the screen. Look, this image I added here. So once I will show you, see here in Harshika folder I save this file vidhi.jpg. Now I will tell you how to check extension. Okay, so see, if you mouse over on it, you will get this dialog box, small dialog box you will get, and here atom type is written here jpg file. See, one more another way is you have to right click on it and you will get here property option, properties, and here you can see the extension .jpg. Okay, so like that way you can check your extension. And finally our image is added here in my web page, and now I want this image size small. So how to change the size? Okay, so what you have to do here, width and height attribute is there, you have to write here width width equal to 200, 300 you can give. Okay, now I am giving here 200. Okay, and second is height equal to again 200, and it is not compulsory, how much you want you can give. Okay, and save it. Again I am saving this file, and now refresh your web browser, so its size become small. Okay, now I save this image in my folder. But if your image is not in folder, if you want, if your image is in your D drive, E drive, you can add this image in your web page. So how to add that image, I will show you here. See, now here source I want to change because my file name is different. Okay, now here path is also different. My file saved on in different drive. Okay, so it is on app drive, so I am writing here app drive colon and slash, and then write whatever folder is there. So my photos folder is there. Okay, and then again give slash, and now vidhi dot jpg. Okay, so this is my file, and now I will save this file. I am saving this file here, and now refresh it. So let's see. Okay, so another image also added here. So like this way you can add. If you want your image in another line, so you can add here break. We already discussed in previous classes. Okay, so save it and refresh it. So it will go in next line. You can add here, even you can add here HR tag, you can add here different tags you have to use now. Okay, so one line will add here in the in between two pictures. Okay, see here in two pictures. So this line is added here. Like this way you can use. Now one more attribute I want to tell you here. Suppose your path is different or your image name is different and you are giving any wrong image name, so you can show any message here. Okay, so alternate means if your image is not adding, then alternative message you can add here. So you can show here image error. Like that way, any message you can give here. Okay, and now see here, any message you can give here. And now see here, my image path is correct, so it will not show this message. But if you change your path, then it will show you there. You will get this message. Now on app drive, in app drive my photos folder is there, but in D drive there is no folder. So I will write here D drive. Okay, so you save this file and you refresh your browser. So now it is showing image error. Okay, so like that way you can use your image tag. In this way you can use your image tag in your web pages. Okay, so I hope up to here you understood. Thank you.